What time is it? Oh, it's 6:30 already. Good morning, world. Time to wake up, Lina. I feel a little sleepy, but I must get up. I stretch my arms and legs. That feels so good. Then I sit on my bed for a few seconds. I look around my room. It's quiet and bright. The sunlight is coming through my window. I open the curtains and smile. It's such a beautiful morning. I love mornings like this. Fresh air, soft sunlight, and the sound of birds. I say to myself, let's make today a good day. Then I make my bed neatly. I always do that first. It makes my room look clean. A clean room makes me feel calm and happy. Yes, a small win for the morning. Now it's bathroom time. I brush my teeth first. I look in the mirror and make funny faces while brushing. Sometimes I hum a song. La la la. It makes brushing more fun. Then I wash my face with cold water. Wow, it feels so fresh. I'm really awake now. After that, I take a shower. I love warm showers in the morning. I sing a little song while showering. Don't worry, I'm not a good singer. When I finish, I dry my hair, comb it carefully, and put on my lotion. It smells nice. I like good smells in the morning. Now I feel clean, fresh, and ready to start my day. Okay, time for my favorite part, breakfast. I go to the kitchen and open the fridge. What should I eat today? I see some eggs, bread, and fruit. Perfect. I'll make fried eggs and toast. While I cook, I talk to myself. Dina, don't burn the eggs. I crack 2 eggs into the pan. Sizzle, sizzle. The smell is so good. I put bread in the toaster and wait. While waiting, I boil some water and make tea. I love tea. It makes me feel warm and peaceful. Sometimes I drink coffee, but tea is my favorite. When everything is ready, I sit at the table. I take a bite and say, delicious. I look out the window while eating. The street outside is quiet, only a few people walking. I finish my breakfast, wash my dishes, and smile. A good breakfast makes my morning better. I feel ready for work now. After breakfast, I go to my room again. I open my closet and choose my clothes. Let's see, maybe my blue shirt today?
Yes, blue is my lucky color. I put on my blue shirt and black pants. I look in the mirror. Not bad. I brush my hair again and put on light makeup. Then I put on my watch and my favorite small earrings. Next, I prepare my bag. I put my phone, keys, wallet, a water bottle, and some tissues inside. Sometimes I forget something, so I double check. Okay, everything's ready. Before I leave, I stand near the door and say, "Lina, let's go make this day wonderful." Then I grab my umbrella, just in case it rains, and step outside. I walk to the bus stop every morning. It's only 5 minutes from my house. The air is cool, and the birds are still singing. I like this short walk. It's peaceful. Sometimes I see my neighbors and wave. "Good morning," I say with a smile. They smile back. It feels nice to start the day with kindness. At the bus stop, I wait patiently. The bus is sometimes late, but that's okay. I use the time to listen to music or think about my goals for the day. When the bus comes, I get on and find a seat near the window. I love sitting near the window. I can see people walking, cars passing, and shops opening. I think to myself, everyone is busy starting their day. During the ride, I sometimes listen to English podcasts. I like learning new words while I travel. I repeat the words quietly: motivation, success, happiness. It's fun and useful. After about 25 minutes, I arrive at my office. I enter the office and say, "Good morning," to my coworkers. Everyone smiles and waves back. It's always nice to see friendly faces in the morning. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. I check my emails, make a to-do list, and plan my work. I like writing small notes. It helps me remember things. Then I start working. I type reports, answer messages, and talk to my team. Sometimes I laugh quietly when I read funny emails. Work can be busy, but I enjoy it. I learn something new almost every day. When I finish a big task, I feel proud. I whisper to myself, "Good job, Lina." Around 10:30, I take a short break. I drink water, stretch my arms, and look out the window. The sky is bright. It makes me happy. It's finally lunchtime. I feel so hungry. Today, I brought rice with vegetables and chicken from home. It smells amazing.
I sit quietly and enjoy my meal. Sometimes I eat with my coworkers, and we talk and laugh together. After eating, I take a short walk outside the office. I like to stretch my legs and feel the sun. It gives me new energy for the afternoon. After lunch, I go back to my desk. The office is quiet. Everyone is focused. I work on my reports and reply to emails. Sometimes I feel sleepy after lunch. So I drink a glass of water or eat a small snack. When I finish all my tasks, I feel happy and relaxed. I check my planner and say, all done for today. It's already 5 p.m. Time to go home.
I take the bus again. It's a bit crowded in the evening, but I don't mind. I look out the window and watch the sunset. The sky is orange and pink. It's so beautiful. I listen to calm music and think about my day. Sometimes I smile for no reason. I'm just happy to go home and rest. When I reach home, I take off my shoes, stretch, and say, finally home. I change into my comfortable clothes and go to the kitchen. It's dinner time. Today, I cook noodles with vegetables. I like easy, simple food after work. While cooking, I listen to soft music or hum a song. Sometimes I talk to myself. Careful, Lina. Don't add too much salt. After dinner, I wash the dishes and wipe the table. Then I sit on my sofa, relax, and scroll on my phone for a bit. I watch short, funny videos and laugh. Laughter is the best way to end a long day. It's almost 10 p.m. now. Time to get ready for bed. I brush my teeth and wash my face again. Then I prepare my clothes for tomorrow. I like to be ready early. It saves time in the morning. Before I sleep, I read a few pages of my English book. I like learning new words before bed. I say them quietly. Routine, responsibility, happiness. Then I close my book, turn off the light, and whisper, "Thank you for today." I smile, close my eyes, and slowly fall asleep. Good night, Lina. Sweet dreams. And that's my daily routine. Thank you for spending the day with me. I hope you learned new English words and sentences today. Remember, practice a little bit every day and you'll speak better and better. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe for more English conversation videos. See you again soon. Bye-bye.